What's up, guys, and welcome back. If you have broken metal fences or car parts that need fixing and you want to handle the repairs yourself, you are in the right place. Today on Cool Product, we are looking for the best welding machine to help you tackle your metalworking projects with confidence. Let's get started. The Deco MMA 200 AE welding machine comes packed with amazing capabilities to make metal repairs easier than ever. When it comes to fixing metal around the house or on the job site, having a tool that is both powerful and easy to understand is absolutely essential. The Deco machine is designed to be a highly versatile and incredibly compact solution that handles a massive variety of everyday tasks. Whether you are a dedicated do-it-yourself enthusiast, a farmer needing to repair heavy equipment, or a car lover working on custom exhaust pipes, this device has you covered. One of the most impressive things about the Deco MMA 200 AE welding machine is its dual functionality. It features both stick, also known as MMA, and lift TIG welding modes. Having two different modes gives you the flexibility to choose the absolute best method for the specific type of metal you are working with. The machine easily accommodates welding rods ranging from 1.6 mm to 3.2 mm in thickness. This perfectly includes highly popular rod types like E6013, E7018, and E6011. Because it works so well with these standard rods, you can confidently use this machine to weld mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and even heavy cast iron. This means you will not have to buy multiple different expensive machines to work on different types of metal around your property. If you have ever tried welding before, you know that starting the arc can be incredibly frustrating. The Deco brand completely solves this problem by equipping the machine with advanced internal features like hot start, anti-sticking, and arc force technology. The hot start function automatically gives you a brief boost of power right at the beginning, allowing for easy arc initiation every time you strike the metal. Once you are going, the anti-sticking feature works behind the scenes to prevent your electrode from getting glued to your workpiece. Meanwhile, the arc force technology keeps your electric arc stable and smooth. These three features work together to ensure a much smoother, far more enjoyable welding experience, saving you from unnecessary frustration and ruined materials. To give you total control over this power, the machine is built with a beautiful and intelligent digital display on the front panel. This bright screen provides clear readings of your welding electrode current. Instead of guessing where a dial is pointed, you get a precise digital number. This allows you to make accurate adjustments to your heat levels. Whether you are a total beginner learning the ropes or a professional welder who needs exact settings for a delicate job, this digital display gives you the exact information you need to succeed. Safety and long-lasting reliability are central to the entire design of this machine. It comes standard with built-in overheat protection, overcurrent protection, and overload protection. If the machine ever detects that it is getting too hot or drawing too much power, these safeguards will instantly step in to protect the internal components. These fantastic safety features help maintain a perfectly stable and secure process, giving you peace of mind during extended work sessions. Powering all of this incredible performance is highly advanced IGBT inverter technology combined with smart digital control. It actively enhances your arc stability and ensures deep, strong penetration into the metal. Because the technology regulates the power so smoothly, you are able to lay down amazingly clean, professional-looking welds across many different metal materials with very little messy spatter to clean up afterward. Finally, we have to talk about the physical design and portability of this machine. Old welding machines used to weigh a ton, but this modern marvel measures a very compact 32 by 22 by 13 inches and weighs an incredibly light 3.2 kilograms. It includes a comfortable, adjustable shoulder strap. This means you can simply throw it over your shoulder and carry it up a ladder, take it out to a broken fence in the field, or bring it along on a camping trip for emergency repairs. It offers a practical blend of raw power, precise control, and ultimate portability for all your metalworking projects. Are you ready to start fixing metal like a true professional? Check the price link in the description to find out more about grabbing this awesome tool for your workshop. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product so you never miss our upcoming gear videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.